Hello, this is Jess Hay from Creative Cards to You. I am making a cute and fast card today. I start off with two A2 size backgrounds I embossed off camera. They are both from Simon Says Stamp and I wasn't sure which one I would use. The one on the right is Bubble Ring and the one on the left is Modern Loop. I just rubbed a fired brick distress ink pad over the top to give it some color. Next, I put the Simon Says Stamp layering template on the card front and arranged the pieces I had cut out off camera from the Tim Holtz large collage strips. I just eyeballed it on the Modern Loop one and I felt like the background was a bit too busy and I liked the white contrast on the other one. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I wanted to add some black splatter to this, so I used Simon Says Stamp black splatter, and it didn't splat. How many of you have had this happen? You shake the paintbrush and nothing happens. So I added more splatter to the paintbrush, and I just got black globs. Well, I decided to add another paintbrush and kind of tap it on the splatter paintbrush, and that is when the splatter happened. I dried it with a heat tool and then I put some foam on the back of the die cuts and kind of wanted to blot off the extra paint that might be there with my paper, and it was an epic fail. Look at that dark ink blot. Well, when all else fails, you just have to hide it in some way. I didn't want to recreate the background, so I just arranged the layering template so that one of the die cuts was over the large ink blob, and voila! Problem solved. You would never know it was there. I adhered the card base to an A2 card with liquid glue and went to search for a sentiment. I chose this one from Lou Collins, as I am making it for a friend stationed overseas to send back home to his fiancée. I cut it into strips and darkened any white edges with a Sharpie. I put foam strips on the back and put them on the panel. This card is done and dusted. Thank you for watching. See you next time.